I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
Vivo X100 Pro is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor, which has an octa-core CPU consisting of a single core running at 3.25 GHz, a tri-core running at 2.85 GHz, and a quad-core running at 2 GHz. This combination should provide excellent performance for all your tasks. The phone also boasts 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and speedy app launches. In terms of display, the Vivo X100 Pro features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 453 ppi. The display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and fluid viewing experience. The phone also sports a bezel-less design with a punch hole cut out for the front camera, maximizing the screen real estate. Moving on to the camera capabilities. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with a triple camera setup on the rear. It includes a 50MP wide-angle primary camera, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 64MP telephoto camera with up to 3x optical zoom. With these lenses, you can capture stunning photos with great detail and versatility. The phone also features an LED flash and supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS on the front. There's a 32MP wide-angle lens for capturing amazing selfies. Battery life is always important, and the Vivo X100 doesn't disappoint. It packs a 5000 mAh battery, which should provide you with ample power to get through the day. And when it's time to recharge, the phone supports 120W flash charging via its USB Type-C port, ensuring quick and convenient charging. In terms of general features, the Vivo X100 Pro supports dual nano SIM cards, and it's 5G compatible in India. It offers 256 GB of internal storage, although it's worth noting that it's non-expandable. Lastly, the phone boasts dust and water resistance, adding an extra layer of protection. I hope this gives you a more detailed overview of the Vivo X100 Pro. Let me know if you have any other questions in comment section.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my